Ransomware has become one of the most dangerous forms of cybercrime. Cybercriminals developed Ransomware-as-a-Service, allowing them to sell or lease malware. RaaS is a platform where developers offer malicious software to affiliates, lowering the entry barrier for cybercrime. RaaS providers offer the full package, including malware, decryption tools, and customer support, simplifying attacks for affiliates. RaaS has grown rapidly due to low entry barriers and a profit-sharing model that incentivizes developers. Cybercriminals access RaaS through underground marketplaces, affiliate programs, or hiring developers directly. Affiliates use phishing or stolen credentials for initial access, then deploy ransomware to encrypt files and demand payment. RaaS lowers skill requirements for attacks, increases the frequency of incidents, and creates a Cybercrime-as-a-Service ecosystem. To mitigate RaaS threats, update software, educate users on phishing, back up data, use multi-factor authentication, and develop response plans. Ransomware-as-a-Service increases accessibility to cybercrime. Understanding RaaS helps in reducing risks of attacks.